Welcome to Southern Yankee DIY. I'm Leah and I'm so glad you tuned into our channel today. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of Southern Yankee DIY's projects, room renovations, or budget-savvy home decor. Today we teamed up with a bunch of other incredibly talented bloggers to bring y'all some DIY dollar store Christmas tree ornaments. We are so excited about these projects and you're gonna love how easy and budget savvy they are. So let's get started. I'm so excited to share this DIY ornament project with y'all. It is so super simple and you can do it with any bulb you want to. I got mine from the dollar store. It's plastic, but you could use an old bulb, a colored bulb, a glass bulb, whatever you want, because we're going to cover the whole thing completely. I have my old hymnal book that we're going to use for the lyrics, and then I have my Mod Podge. So I started by cutting out some sheets from the hymnal book. I already pre-picked my songs. I wanted Christmassy, so I went with Silent Night, Joy to the World, and White as Snow. Pick whichever ones mean something to you. I love decor that means something. Literally, the hardest part about this project was cutting out these pages. It was just so awkward. I finally got smart and used my Cricut scissors, and that worked out a little bit better, but really like a sharp razor would have been good. It doesn't really matter if you have clean lines for this project because they're going to be crumpled around the bulb anyways, but if I was going to use these pages for something else like wrapping and putting in a decorative vase or anything else, I would have used a razor to get more of a straight edge cut. So now that I have my pages cut, it's time to kind of plan how they're going to go around my bulb. So I kind of just messed around a little bit and did a little fit test. It's not going to be perfect, but just kind of have a plan, a game plan. Then I took my Mod Podge and I'm going to just completely coat the bulb. Just use my little dollar store paintbrush and just went around all over. And the best part is about this project is that you can actually get Mod Podge from the dollar store now. So they are really stepping up their game. So now that I have my bulb completely covered in Mod Podge, it's time to take my hymnal sheets and wrap them around the bulb. I just started from the bottom and worked my way up the bulb, pressing it firmly in. It's not going to be perfect, you want it crinkly. That's the look of this project. Where it's just paper touching paper and not paper touching the bulb, you'll want to apply just a little bit more Mod Podge. One tip I would have when I make more of these ornaments is to cut out an extra sheet because one page is not going to really cover the entire ornament. So I am going to have to use a little bit of scrap from other pages to cover those gaps. So in the future, I'll just cut out an extra page and use all the scrap from that one page. When I'm attaching the extra piece of paper to fill in that little gap, I just pull back the paper that was already there and then squeeze in my little scrap piece. And it fits so seamlessly, so you can't even tell that it's not the same sheet. That's it, one ornament completely done. These ornaments came with that white ribbon, but according to your decor, you could change out that ribbon and put in whatever you wanted to. I might change it up to a nice red. You don't necessarily have to use hymnals for this project. Really, you could print out any lyrics that you wanted to. These would be great gifts with some sentimental value, or you could make a whole collection of your favorite songs. The possibilities are really endless. And that's it, y'all. Such a simple process. I made 4 total, but I don't think I'm done. I definitely want more sets of these ornaments. They're perfect for the tree or perfect for putting in a decorative glass bowl on the table. They'd make a great centerpiece, plus they have sentimental value. I love, love, love these ornaments, and I love how they turned out. And everything that I used was from the dollar store, and I love that even more.